Hey guys, today I'm back with these neon fruit nails. I created these using the new Barry M Cosmetics Hi Vis range, where they're all bright neon polishes. So if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all my nails with my favourite white polish. And then with my Moyu London Tropical 08 plate, I stamped all of the fruit in black. So here I am stamping the pineapple, and then the lemons, and then the strawberry, and then the banana. So leaving it on the stamper, I'm just using the orange from the Hi Vis collection, filling in the pineapple base, and then the green I filled in the leaves. And I proceed to do the rest of this for all of the fruits. So here I'm just painting the leaves green and then the lemons yellow. And same here, the leaves green, and then I use the bright pink for the strawberry skin, or flesh of the strawberry. And here I am painting the banana. These polishes are quite sheer, but they go, once you put them over the white, it's fine. So here I am just applying a foil glue. Once that got tacky, I just stamped on all these decals. I'm still trying to find a way that I like that stamps on decals without using foil glue. And here I am just applying a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these neon fruit nails. I think that these polishes just look great over white, they just pop. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!